Hello curlies, it's Mary and welcome back to the Curly Closet. If you're returning to my channel, then welcome back. And of course, if this is your first time visiting my channel, then welcome. If you like what you see here, then you can hit the red subscribe button below and you can hit the bell for notifications. So jumping right into my intro, today's video is going to be one of a two-part series. So these two videos are going to be on two products by the same brand. This brand is called AFRO Bob TRO. So these are two very interesting, slightly different hair products than I've tried before, but I wanted to make a video on each. So one video is going to be on the clay conditioner and the other video is going to be on the Kernel Wave Wax. So whichever one of the videos you're watching, if you want to see the other one, then please click the link up here. So this video is going to be on the Kernel Wave Wax. I'm going to be doing a demo of how it behaves on my hair, what I thought of the product, and also you will be able to see how I achieved this really gorgeous twist out, which I am enjoying. And of course, if you really enjoyed this video, then please give this video a very big thumbs up below, and also leave me a comment and let me know, have you ever tried any kind of wax in your hair, whether it's like beeswax or any other type of wax, and how your natural hair has behaved. I'm really interested to find out what other products there are out there that use wax just like this one. So the Kernel Wave Wax is made with pure beeswax, so it comes in a glass container with a small spatula. What I found was the best way to use it was to put a small amount in a little glass container and to just heat it in the microwave, which made it a lot more pliable, and I could use my fingers to take it out of the container. So you can see here that my hair had been washed and put in twists, and my hair was still slightly damp, but not completely soaking wet. And I found that it goes a lot better onto the hair when your hair is just slightly damp. So I take a small amount and I rub it in my hands like so, and this warms it up a bit more and also makes it easier to apply. Now you do have to be slightly patient with this process. It doesn't quite work in the same way that a curling cream would work or a more liquidy consistency, but just be patient because the results are worth it. So for each twist, I rubbed some of the wax over that section after detangling, and then I split each of the sections into two and just made sure that I worked it through the middle of my hair. So just making sure that the product is distributed evenly through my hair. Now I've split this section into two, and I've gone in with my Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush. This just really helps to smooth the hair and also to smooth the product through evenly. Because it's just a little bit thicker than your usual liquidy product, then I found that it worked a lot better to just make sure it was smooth through. And also I find that just brushing the hair in general makes for a smoother and more defined twist out. So since I am going to show you the same process over again, I thought I'd take this opportunity to talk about the benefits of this product. First of all, this product claims to give you braid outs and twist outs with no crunch, but with a lot of definition. So if you don't like the crunch of gel, you may want to give this product a try. It also contains no petroleum and no petroleum derivatives, so no mineral oil either. It also contains only natural and organic ingredients, so if you're looking for something that doesn't have a whole load of unnecessary chemicals in it, then this Kernel Wave Wax may just be what you have been looking for. So as to the ingredients, it contains shea butter, and it also contains a mix of natural oils such as macadamia nut oil, castor seed oil, argan oil, avocado oil, hydrogenated vegetable oil, and vitamin E, as well as the main wax ingredient, which is beeswax. So I'm just giving you a close-up here of my hair with the twists in, just so you can see the natural shine that the Kernel Wave Wax has given to my hair. I really loved the shine and the sheen that it gave my hair, and the softness in the end, and you'll see more of that after I take my twist down. So I'm just showing you here that when my hair started to dry out just a little bit too much, then I took some of my Cream of Nature with argan oil leave-in conditioning spray and just sprayed the section just to add a little bit more dampness. As you know, my hair is bleached, so this product is liquid and it contains protein, so it helps to give my hair that extra boost of strength that it needs. And then of course I added more of the wax and continue to twist my hair up. So this is essentially what I ended up with after I twisted all of my hair. Some of the sections were just twists, but some more towards the front ended up being flat twists, just because I wanted my hair to lay in a particular direction. So clearly it's the next day and my twists are pretty much completely dry. There's no dampness anywhere, and that's part of the reason why I like to start my twist out on just damp hair as opposed to really wet hair. And of course that works a lot better with this Kernel Wave Wax. Can you see the definition and shine on my hair? And one of the things I loved about this product was just the bounce that it gave my hair. I wish that I could like have a thing where you could feel through the screen. Is that technology available yet? The one where you can feel through the screen and actually feel how something feels through the screen. My hair was so soft and just so bouncy and full of life. To be honest, I've never used a wax product on my hair like this before, but you can just see here how much movement my hair actually has with this product. I absolutely loved the results that I got with this product. So here I just applied some gel to my hairline and I have wrapped a scarf around it just to set it, and then I am separating the back. I tried not to do too much separating because I didn't want it to get frizzy. You'll see there's a little bit of frizz later on because whenever I do a side parting on my hair this tends to happen, hence why I try to stick with center partings. But anyway, the definition still held up despite the little bit of frizz. So if you're wondering how my hair held up after a couple of days, then this is day 3 hair. I got a bit of frizz on top, but pretty much I still had a decent amount of definition, especially on the under layers of my hair. So this was the Kernel Wave Wax from AFRO Bob TRO. If you would like more information on AFRO Bob TRO, then check the description box below. You can also check the iCards above for more information on their clay conditioner, which was my last video, and I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, then be sure to give this video a very big thumbs up below. Wishing you health, happiness and beautiful hair. I will see you again soon on the Curly Closet. Take care. Bye.